Hello and welcome back to the channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and even share this video. For this quick tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to use the fill tool inside of your Concepts app. The fill tool is a part of your brushes. If you don't already have your brushes with the fill option in there, you can go over to your slides here. You have 8 of them. You can double tap any one in any order and go down to where you have my brushes and slide over till you see the fill option. Once you close that out, you now have your fill tool ready to use. Your fill tool can also change its color, so you can pick any color that you would like to have to be filled in a space where you want to add any color or texture. The fill tool also allows you to change its opacity, so your color or the fill that you're choosing can be dark or it can be lightened in according to how high the percentage is of your opacity. You also can change the smoothness. So how loosely do you want to be able to draft on your canvas, or do you want it to be more of a solid line or a straight area? So that smoothness is an option for you to increase and decrease. In demonstrating this fill option, I'm going to bring my opacity down to 80%, and then I'm going to bring my smoothness to about 30% here. And that is just showing how straight I want my smoothness to be. And double tapping on my canvas here, I have a chair that's already created. And I'm going to just simply begin to fill in some areas of this chair here. So looking at the front part of the cushion, I'm just taking my pencil and I'm drafting down, and I'm just following here a straight path and bringing my fill tool along. Now, as you can see, we do have some white negative space here. When that happens, even using that fill tool, you can always go over your space again to begin to fill in areas. But if I go ahead and increase my smoothness, watch what happens on the bottom end. And I'm also going to go through here and darken in my opacity. As you can see, it is increased that smoothness. So that's showing how wide and how smooth. As you can see, it's just a straight line. If I go back and I decrease that smoothness, let's bring it all the way down to 0. Now I'm able to fill in even more space. So your smoothness shows how much area of space that you are going to be able to fill in. And let's do this space here. Now I'm at 64%. Again, I changed the opacity and I changed the smoothness. Right now in my snap options, I have allow trace back and allow turns so that I can complete my turns when I am working with any type of my brushes. In the options, if I was to turn on my auto complete while I have this fill tool and I created a circle, if you notice, it jumped right back to where I started. And it completes it and makes it more of a smooth shape here. So let's try to put the same fill in the inside here. I'm just gonna, and now I have even more of a straight line here, and it's lined up evenly because I have on that autocomplete. I hope that this video helps you understand how to work with your fill tool inside of your Concepts app. Just like any other tool, you can always tap on your brush and change it back to whatever brush you would like to use and have set up inside of your brush selections.